this is Opus Mall. This is along C5 Road. Yan. So we're going to Bridgetown from C5. There. So very accessible siya from C5. Yan. That's Victor. Then there's an access road. Okay, that's Villares. That's Cirrus. This is Bridgetown. The entire property is developed by Robinson's Land. Okay, so Lupon is the first turn on the left. Here. Okay. So construction is all over, ongoing 24/7. So Lupon is as you turn left. Okay. Then turn right here. This is the actual site of Lupon. This one on the left. So property on that side is kind of okay. So there. That's Cirrus. Katabi lang po niyan yung Lupon. So 360 view of Bridgetown. Marami pang developments na mangyayari. Today is July 14, 2024. Mga in a few months lang mag-iiba ng tsura dito. So that's Cirrus. Sold out na po siya. Right beside that is where Lupon will rise. So from C5, doon naman there's an access to Amang Rodriguez. Where I'm standing at right now is part of Pasig City. Nagsimula tayo ng video is from Quezon City.